use this. Okay, it's some sort of water thing.
You who summoned hope! Breathe not again before you tell me why.
I called you forth to help me. Why else?
Insolent mortal! I like you. What is the task you would have of me?
I met an old mage, a wise man who hinted I might find your abilities useful.
You may. But it is the task I need to hear, before you weary me with words.
I need to cross the waters to the sunken ship, and I'll take whatever help you offer.
If so ask, I can allow you to walk beneath the waves unharmed.
Then I bid you, allow me to reach the sunken ship, however you can arrange it.
So be it. Remember, you never asked for a straight path. Enjoy the labyrinth.
No!
Wait! I said a straight path. I order you to make a way for me directly to the ship.
You said nothing. Done is done, and I shall not guard you from the dangers, save to wish you luck.
Ah, what a bitch.
Dangers? The only way you provide is through a labyrinth, and there are dangers?
A few insignificant but deadly creatures. Yet I tell you, avoid the Lady of the Sea.
Who is she?
Certain death. She takes the souls of those drowned within her domain.
I shall not drown.
You have had my help and my advice. Until you call again.
Will you permit me to call upon you again, if necessary?
If the shout of summoning is heard, I shall come.
I have enjoyed your company.
Call only if you need passage.
Farewell, water demon.
I am the elemental Erevaris, and I shall remember you. Beware the lady!
Alright. Here we go into the water labyrinth. Okay, before we start, let's see here. Let's put some of this stuff away. What's this? Yeah. Let's see here. Let's put some of these away. I've got like 100 of them. This will just be my backup supply here. God, I've got a lot of these. Okay, that should be good enough for now. That should be, yeah. And we'll just leave these here. Oh yeah. Let's put this back in the bag. Drop this right next to it. Okay, we should be sorry, we should be fine now. And let's go. Oh, what's that? Ah! Oh, those guys aren't so tough. Maybe they're a little tough. Thanks. Yeah, these guys can poison you. I think we already have that one. Oh, guess not. That's a potion of cure poison. We'll keep that until we need it. I don't like these guys. Gold coin? Maybe we'll find a shop someday. I have no idea. Let's use this. And this. More cure poison. It's good to have. Okay, which way do we go? Let's go off this way. Down and around this way. It's another chest. What's in it? Nothing. Okay, what do we put in this one? Let's put all our consumable junk. Great. Should be a little less cluttered. Okay, where's this portal go? Oh, it just takes us to the other side of the dungeon, like in the underground city. Well, let's keep exploring this end here. More cure poison. These guys? Total pushovers. And a pearl.